Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice agate black color, and this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the STX Black Appearance Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, blind spot detection with mud flaps on the front. You got a black hood deflector, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, got this lime green accent, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior. You do get cup holders and some storage, 12-volt, and you got some outlets down here. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop, auto start, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 7.3 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen, we have My View, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage. You got cup holders. You even get storage underneath. Storage with outlets. Nice vinyl wrap center console. Tons of storage underneath. You do get drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. Nice little coin slot. You got your climate controls just right there with the 12-volt and more outlets. We do got a nice storage cubby here with the F-150 logo. Storage in the glove compartment. Storage above, and looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have AM, FM, and Bluetooth capabilities. You got your phone, fave apps such as messaging, email, and all that fun. Apps in general, or any apps you download, will be right here with your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You got your basic settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD35448, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.